In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background video in Squarespace. Adding a background video to your Squarespace site can elevate its visual appeal and create a more dynamic experience for your visitors. Whether you're showcasing a product, creating a mood, or simply adding a professional touch, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and straightforward. Let's dive in and get started. First, log into your Squarespace account and navigate to your site's dashboard. This is the central hub where you can access all the tools needed to edit and customize your website. Once you're logged in, head to the page where you'd like the background video to appear. Now, click the Edit button, which you'll typically find in the top corner of the page. This step is essential because it unlocks the customization options for your page once you're in edit mode. Scroll to the specific area of the page where you want the video background to be displayed. Here's where the fun begins. Click on the Add section option, and from the available choices, select Blank Section. This is a great choice because a blank section gives you a clean slate to work with, ensuring your video stands out without any distractions from pre-designed elements. Once the blank section is added, hover over it and click Edit Section. This will open up the section settings panel, giving you access to all the customization tools for this section. In the settings panel, locate and click on the background option. Here, you'll see several background choices. Select Video to move forward with adding your video. Next, click the Add Video button. You'll be presented with a couple of options for adding your video, and in this case, choose the Add from Link option. This is a simple and efficient way to use a YouTube video as a background. By using a link, you can directly embed the video without needing to upload large files to your site. Now, open a new tab or window and go to YouTube. Find the video that you want to use as your background. Once you've selected the perfect video, copy its URL from the browser's address bar. Head back to your Squarespace settings and paste the copied URL into the provided field. Once you do this, the system will start processing the video. Keep in mind that processing time can vary, depending on the video's length or resolution, so don't worry if it takes a moment for the video to load. After the video has loaded, it's time to preview it to make sure everything looks as you envisioned. Squarespace automatically loops and mutes background videos. So as you preview it, focus on whether the visuals work well with your page's design and content. If needed, adjust the section layout or positioning to make everything fit perfectly. If you're happy with how it looks, click Save or Apply to finalize your changes. On the other hand, if the video doesn't quite work for your needs, don't worry. You can replace it with a different YouTube link, modify the section's design, or explore other background styles. Finally, take a moment to preview your entire site and ensure the background video is functioning as expected. This final check will help you confirm that the video loops smoothly and aligns well with the overall aesthetic of your site. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've added a stunning background video to your Squarespace site. This tutorial showed you how to log in, navigate the page settings, embed a video link, and fine-tune the design to achieve the perfect look. If you have any questions or need help with another Squarespace feature, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.